Hello, welcome to Vince's Kitchen. Today we're going to be cooking Mexican chili. I'm going to show you the ingredients right now. We've got tomato puree, fresh basil, coriander, some sweet peppers, garlic, chilies, onion, cumin seeds, paprika, dried chilies, some sour cream, some rice, some chopped tomatoes, some jalapeno peppers, some sea salt, bay leaves, and extra virgin olive oil. Let's begin cooking. Okay, first things first, let's get the pan on the heat. Okay, so we're going to start by chopping our onion. Okay, let's get this onion chopped. Oh, nice. Okay, just going to get these onions in this section here. Okay, so we've got our onions, let's get the garlic peeled. Whoa, that's stinky, let's put this away. Okay, so I'm going to use 3 cloves of garlic here. This is going to be a good dish. Let's chop this garlic. So this is a good recipe, it's traditional, it's healthy, it's got plenty of fresh ingredients in it. It's good for a healthy, balanced diet. It's going to be spicy, it's going to be hot. It's going to warm the cockles, yeah? Okay, so that's the onions chopped, that's the garlic. Let's get this chopped. Okay, let's get that in a section. Put that in there. So we've got the onions, we've got the garlic. Let's get these peppers chopped. Let's get some oil in the pan. Here we go. I'm going to turn the heat down, put it down to about 4. Okay. Just get the seeds out of this pepper. You could also toast the pepper. Just take the skin off. The skin will just come off naturally in the pan. You can always take that out. Just get the seeds out. Clean as you go. Okay, so we've got coriander, we've got basil. Okay, so let's have a look. We've got sweet chili peppers chopped, 1 onion chopped, 3 cloves of garlic. We've got some coriander and we've got some basil chopped and ripped. Over here we've got some bay leaves, some paprika. We've also got some cumin seeds. We've got some dried chilies and we've got some fresh chilies. Okay, so let's have a look and see what we can do. Okay, so let's get on with cooking. First thing we're going to do is we're going to stick the onions in the pan. Let's cook. I'm actually going to be cooking 2 here, a mild one for the baby, and one for the big boys and girls. Okay, so the onions are in, cooking nicely. Next thing is going to be the sweet peppers for the baby. Sweet peppers. Stir those in. Okay, so it's looking nice. Stir. Okay, let's go with some kidney beans. Put them in. Put those for the baby. Then go in with the garlic. For the baby. There. Next we're going to go in with the basil and coriander. It's looking really colourful now. Good. Just the tomato puree. That will work. bay leaves. Right up there. That looks there. It starts to smell really nice. Really nice. Okay, we're going to go with the beef. Let's get that in. Sweet baby. And this one's good. Whoop. Starting to smell like a Mexican chili. Okay, so we're going to go in some of the spices here. We're going to go with the cumin seeds. Let's get those little babies in there. We're going to go in paprika. A little bit of salt. This would be good for the likes of Mikey, who like this kind of spicy food. Okay, so we've got sweet peppers in there, onions, garlic, coriander, a bit of basil, some salt, some cumin seeds. Now we're going to go in with some dried chilies, some fresh red and green, these are hot ones. We're also going to throw in a couple of jalapenos. Here you go, jalapenos. Okay, so this is looking, it's smelling awesome. Time for the tomatoes. 1, 2, 3. Now it's time for the bay leaves. Snap the end off, and I'm just going to pop in really hot green chili. Snap off, pop in really hot red chili. I'll just take them out later. So what I'm going to do now is just turn that down and leave it to simmer for a while, yeah? Thanks for joining us in the kitchen again. Hope you enjoyed the cooking. I'll see you next time.